see about another beat. Cause like the music I be making, I be like, damn, how I do that? Very like whatever, but this year I'm just doing whatever. Like whatever the fuck I feel like. Like I don't give a fuck, bro. I don't care. Like, and what I mean by that is, it's not that I don't care about my work or I don't care about what I'm doing. No, I care about that. You feel me? But what I'm saying is, I don't care about the outside noise.